Hello everyone. If you're dealing with acid reflux, you're aware of how uncomfortable and disruptive it can be. From chest pain to post-meal nausea, acid reflux can significantly impact your quality of life. The good news is that modifying your diet can offer rapid and long-term relief from acid reflux. In this video, I'll share 12 foods that have been scientifically proven to effectively treat acid reflux. Be sure to stay tuned until the end, as I'll also provide important precautions for consuming these foods. Remember, this is general information only, so always consult your doctor before making any dietary changes. Now, let's dive in and start feeling better. 1. Bananas. Numerous studies have confirmed that bananas serve as an effective anti-acid food. Bananas are abundant in potassium, which helps regulate pH levels, neutralize stomach acid, and function as an electrolyte. Moreover, bananas contribute to thickening the protective mucus lining the stomach, thus preventing acid irritation. Their prebiotic fiber supports beneficial gut bacteria associated with reduced inflammation. Additionally, the protease inhibitors found in bananas may decrease stomach acid production. Opt for bananas that are slightly ripe with brown speckles, but avoid those that are overly ripe and mostly brown. The riper the banana, the more effective its antacid properties. Note, if you have kidney disease or are undergoing dialysis, you may need to restrict your intake of high potassium foods like bananas. Always consult your doctor before making dietary changes. 2. Oatmeal. Commencing your day with a warm serving of oatmeal can provide a protective coating for your throat and stomach, warding off acid reflux often triggered by an empty stomach. The soluble fiber present in oats creates a gel-like barrier that can hinder the upward flow of stomach acid. Additionally, the fiber absorbs water, facilitating regular bowel movements and preventing food from lingering in the digestive system. Preparing overnight oats allows the fiber ample time to expand and take effect. Furthermore, oats may possess anti-inflammatory properties beneficial for the gastrointestinal tract. Note, if you have celiac disease or gluten intolerance, it's advisable to avoid oatmeal, as oats contain small amounts of gluten. 3. Probiotic foods. Fermented probiotic foods such as yogurt, kefir, kombucha, kimchi, and sauerkraut contain beneficial bacteria that can alleviate acid reflux through various mechanisms. These foods bolster the esophageal sphincter, enhance mucus secretion, diminish inflammation and gas, and optimize digestion. Research indicates that probiotics can substantially reduce reflux and throat irritation by up to 53%. When selecting yogurt, seek varieties containing at least 3 billion live active cultures derived from strains like L. reuteri or S. thermophiles. Kefir offers approximately 20 potent probiotic strains. It's advisable to steer clear of sugary yogurt flavors and instead opt for plain Greek yogurt complemented with fruit or nuts. 4. Melons. Hydrating melons such as watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew are highly effective in alleviating acid reflux symptoms. Their abundance of water content aids in diluting stomach acid, while their rich reserves of alkaline minerals like magnesium and potassium work to neutralize acids. Additionally, melons furnish antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lycopene, which help mitigate inflammation in the gastrointestinal lining. According to a study, consuming 200 milliliters of melon juice half an hour before a meal notably decreased reflux severity. For enhanced digestion, it's advisable to enjoy ripe melons as a snack or appetizer on an empty stomach rather than following heavy meals. However, it's important to exercise moderation, as some individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, may encounter digestive issues from excessive melon consumption. 5. Leafy greens. Dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, lettuce, arugula, and other salad greens possess an alkaline quality that aids in neutralizing acidic stomach contents, making them excellent choices for mitigating acid reflux. Apart from their neutralizing properties, these fiber-rich greens add bulk to the diet, which helps prevent stomach acid from refluxing. Furthermore, greens contain chlorophyll, a compound renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties that support gastrointestinal healing. Incorporating a mixed greens salad as a starter for both lunch and dinner is recommended. For individuals with difficulty digesting raw vegetables, lightly steaming greens can aid in digestion. However, it's important to note that certain greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamin K, which may interact with blood thinners. Hence, consulting with a doctor is advisable for individuals taking anticoagulant medication. 6. Potatoes. Baked, boiled, or mashed potatoes offer surprising relief from acid reflux symptoms. Potatoes are rich in alkalizing minerals, vitamin C, phytochemicals, and starch, all of which work together to neutralize excess stomach acid. Additionally, they have the potential to strengthen the esophageal sphincter and enhance mucus production in the stomach, providing added protection. For optimal nutritional benefits, it's recommended to keep the skin on and avoid heavy toppings like butter, sour cream, or cheese, which can exacerbate reflux symptoms. Instead, pairing baked or boiled potatoes with Greek yogurt is a nutritious and reflux-friendly option. However, it's advisable to steer clear of white and sweet potato fries as the oils used in frying can worsen acid reflux. Individuals following a ketogenic or carb-restricted diet should consider limiting their intake of starchy vegetables like potatoes. 7. Fatty fish. Cold water oily fish such as salmon, tuna, mackerel, anchovies, herring, and sardines are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to alleviate acid reflux symptoms through various mechanisms. These include reducing inflammation, improving gastric motility, and strengthening the esophageal sphincter. The active components in fish oil, EPA and DHA, are particularly effective at decreasing inflammatory cytokines associated with reflux and mitigating throat irritation and discomfort. Opting for grilled, baked, or poached preparations of fatty fish can maximize the benefits for acid reflux relief. When supplementing with fish oil, it's advisable to take it with food to minimize any potential reflux issues. Alternatively, for vegetarians, algal oil supplements are available as a source of EPA and DHA. Individuals with seafood allergies should avoid fish and fish oil supplements altogether. 8. Ginger. Ginger root contains gingerols, which are anti-inflammatory compounds known to alleviate acid reflux symptoms through various mechanisms. Ginger helps reduce inflammation in the esophagus, accelerates gastric emptying to prevent acid reflux, and inhibits gastric acid production. Studies have demonstrated that daily intake of 2 grams of ginger capsules for 5 days led to a 50% reduction in acid secretion in patients with gastric ulcers. Additionally, fresh ginger has been shown to improve gastric emptying rates compared to a placebo in individuals with indigestion. Incorporating ginger into your diet through ginger tea, candied ginger, ginger ale, ginger chews, or by adding grated ginger to cooking or smoothies can all contribute to combating reflux. Aim to consume at least 1 inch of fresh ginger root daily to experience its anti-reflux benefits, which are further enhanced by its anti-nausea effects. However, individuals taking blood thinners or medication for diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart conditions should exercise caution and avoid consuming excessive amounts of ginger. 9. Fennel Seeds. Fennel seeds are a powerful natural remedy for alleviating acid reflux symptoms. An active compound in fennel, known as anethole, effectively blocks inflammation and decreases stomach acid secretion. Moreover, fennel promotes the secretion of mucus, creating a protective barrier in the stomach against acid. Additionally, it aids in the digestion of fatty foods, which are often triggers for reflux. Chewing 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds after meals has been shown to significantly reduce indigestion symptoms, including acid reflux, bloating, and gas. For infants suffering from colic, mothers consuming fennel tea may provide relief. However, individuals allergic to carrots, celery, or other members of the carrot family, such as dill and coriander, should avoid fennel. 10. Apple cider vinegar. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar contains probiotics, acids, and enzymes that simulate stomach acid, aiding digestion and preventing undigested proteins and fats from triggering acid reflux. Several small-scale studies have shown that consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of diluted apple cider vinegar before meals can significantly alleviate symptoms of indigestion, nausea, bloating, and acid reflux by enhancing gastric motility and acid secretion. It's important to dilute apple cider vinegar in water to protect tooth enamel from acidity. Mix 1 tablespoon with 8 ounces of water and consume 5 to 10 minutes before eating. Opt for organic, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar containing the P mother, which contains beneficial bacteria. White vinegars do not offer the same benefits. 11. Papaya. Papaya is a nutritional powerhouse, providing more than 300% of your daily requirements for vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, potassium, copper, and vitamin K in a single fruit. Its enzymatic activity and antioxidant content aid digestion effectively. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme known for breaking down proteins associated with acid reflux, and it may also alleviate gastric inflammation. Research conducted at universities has demonstrated that oral papaya supplementation significantly reduces the severity of ulcers. When selecting papayas, opt for ripe ones with predominantly orange skin and minimal green patches, indicating peak sweetness and enzyme levels. However, pregnant women should exercise caution, as unripe or green papaya can potentially stimulate uterine contractions, necessitating consultation with their doctor. 12. Basil. Sweet basil contains active compounds such as eugenol, estragol, and rosmarinic acid, which impart antacid effects. Studies have shown that basil can decrease stomach acid production by up to 36% and potentially strengthen the lower esophageal sphincter. Additionally, research suggests that basil offers protection against ulcer formation, similar to proton pump inhibitors like Prilosec. Basil's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties further contribute to digestive health. You can prepare fresh basil tea by steeping 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped leaves in hot water for 5 minutes. Alternatively, chewing 5 to 6 small basil leaves after meals can aid digestion. Combining basil with mint, ginger, or fennel can help alleviate stomach issues. However, individuals taking medication for diabetes or high blood pressure should exercise caution with excessive basil consumption, as its oils may interact with these drugs. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.